Hi, let's suppose we are a travel agency and we want to create a poster with an image and some text. Let's create an image, let's insert the image and also set up the page. Now let's make full screen. Let's insert the Fontwork, insert Fontwork. It's in the background. Let's move the image a line in the background. I change the text by clicking always in nature, and now I have to redesign this text. I change the shape of the text. I remove that 3D aspect. Also I change the background. I change the font here. When selecting the font we can change the font. Okay, this is much better. Now I copy this font work and I create a new one here, so the message will be always in nature, be here. Now let's try to arrange them a little bit much better. Okay, so let's see what can we do. So little adjustment here and there, and the contrast will be much better on the left. Let's move everything on the left. Now it's much better. And one more thing I want to do, I want to insert a new one, a new font work on the right with the name of the company, and that's all. So let's insert a new one. Let's insert this one. It's in the background, so let's arrange in the background the main picture, and now everything is in the front. Let's change the text, travel company, our company name. Let's change the shape, and we made some changes. Let's arrange 90 degrees. It's very hard by hand, so we have on the right some settings. You can see here 90. Okay, now I have to change the color. In spite of color we can use a bitmap, something like this. We can change transparency, we can change the image. That's all. Thank you.